Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we're going to do a deep detox clean of my scalp with these braids. After just a little bit over a month of having these in, I've rinsed them out, but today I'm going to actually scrub and clean them to take out all the buildup and make sure my scalp is staying clean. So the first thing I do guys is I separate this in two sides, and then I will go over and prepare my scalp scrub. And I'm using baking soda, fine sea salt, and black soap guys to make a little paste mix so I can have that to mix my hair. And I'm going to use this brush that I'm mixing it with. What I did guys, I actually went and wet my scalp so I can make sure that it's wet and the scalp scrub is getting in there to scrub each area. And I'm going to do this guys section by section. This took about 30 minutes to do, to sit there and scrub this lightly. Again guys, I always tell you I'm speeding up these videos. Don't vigorously scrub your scalp. I'm actually taking my time and scrubbing this out so I can make sure that I'm not causing any scalp irritation or damage. So take your time to scrub these out with that toothbrush. And guys, by the way, I am using a soft toothbrush. I don't use the hard ones. And I'm going to do this all over my scalp guys until I get the entire thing done. So guys, if you can see, the entire thing is done. It's all covered with that scalp scrub and it's ready to be rinsed out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to rinse my hair out with warm water and make sure everything is rinsed out properly. Now the second time, what I do guys is I just get plain black soap because I did wash this twice. I'm using only black soap and I'm just giving it a second wash, and I'm going straight for the scalp again, and I'm going to rinse that out as well for a second time. If you guys can see, my hair is rinsed out. The scalp is quite clean. I love how it feels. Like, she feels really good. What I'm going to use guys next after that second wash is apple cider vinegar rinse. Now I made this rinse a little bit more concentrated. This is half apple cider vinegar and half aloe vera juice because I want this to truly go in my scalp to help balance the pH for any irritation I may have, and to make sure that my buildup are clean off of my scalp. And what I'm going to do guys is just pour it over the scalp area and leave it in for about 20 minutes before I actually rinse this out. I love how my scalp feel after I use that apple cider vinegar rinse. I can see the difference from just washing and shampooing it, and it looks even better. The last thing I did guys was use a blow dryer to dry my hair and scalp, and I did this just to avoid the long drying time because this is going to make it a lot easier, and I'm going to be done with this in just a few hours. And yes guys, this did take a few hours to do because of the way I did it. So last step, just take your time, blow dry your hair. I'm using the cool air on the blow dryer. I'm not using the hot air to make sure I can dry my hair and scalp. I love how clean it looks. It feels great. It feels refreshing. It is ready to go, and I'm excited about the result I got from this. It took a few hours to do, just a little under 3 hours to do this, but I love the result that I got guys, and I love how my scalp feels. It feels clean, fresh, and ready to go for another month guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, of course, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the little notification bell and give this video a thumbs up. Also go over guys and watch my last video.